From screen icons to engineering-heavy Technic builds, these LEGO sets reveal just how fun car culture can be in brick form. Do you have someone in your life with no place for a project car, but who still itches to get their hands on a fresh build? Or is there a young enthusiast that you'd love to help explore their passion for all things wheeled? Fortunately for both, and everyone in between, LEGO offers a bewildering array of automotive brick sets out there, ranging from the fun and simple to put together to the complex and surprisingly representative of their real-world counterparts. Here are our choices for the best, most intriguing, and coolest automotive LEGO sets you can give as a gift. LEGO Speed Champions Fast and Furious 1970 Dodge Charger RT. Leading off our list of the best automotive LEGO sets out there is this kid-friendly pick that combines the Fast and Furious phenomenon with the angular lines of the classic Dodge Charger muscle car that has played a starring role in nearly every entry in the series. Hot on the heels of LEGO's previous Speed Champions Fast and Furious set, which featured Brian's Nissan R34 Skyline, this time it's Dom Toretto's turn to shine. Look closely, and you can see a minifig Toretto sitting in the driver's seat, almost directly behind the massive and cinematically correct blower protruding from the Charger's hood. Just make sure not to tell your child the truth about what Dom did with that wrench. Number 2. LEGO Technic Mercedes-Benz G500 Professional Line. If there's a vehicle whose design is better suited to being immortalized in brick, we haven't seen it. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class has all of the angles needed to translate to LEGO's upscale Technic series of hyper-accurate designs, and opting for the professional edition of this go-anywhere SUV is also a big part of the fun. Check out the 2 locking differentials you can play with once the G500 has been assembled. Topping it all off is the Mercedes-Benz's eye-catching bright orange finish. 3. LEGO Icons Lamborghini Countach 5000 Quattrovalve. The Icons line provides a more aesthetics-focused take than Technic, while maintaining the challenge of putting together a complex set using many bricks. This Lamborghini Countach 5000 Quattrovalve is a perfect example. The set includes all the Countach necessities: functional scissor doors, a detailed V12 engine, an authentic interior, and it comes in classic white, which lets you live all your 80s-era synthwave dreams from the comfort of your own dining room table. 4. LEGO Speed Champions Ferrari F40 Supercar. If you need to keep the complexity at a more manageable level for your intended giftee, but still want to keep some Italian flavor in the mix, look no further than this Speed Champions Ferrari F40 set. Not only does the accompanying minifig come with a Ferrari shirt, so there's no mistaking who the owner is at Cars and Coffee, but even though it's a simpler design, it still includes all of the crucial F40 callouts, like the transparent hatch so you can see its glorious V12 engine, the ducts in the hood, and the massive air intakes along the side of the car. 5. LEGO Super Mario Kart. Not every cool LEGO set is tied into an actual, real-life vehicle. Sometimes the autos we encounter in the virtual world can be just as memorable, and that's certainly the case with this very faithful Mario Kart reproduction. If the gamer in your life needs a break from racking up high scores, why not give them the chance to put together their own real-world kart that Mario can pilot to victory on the shelf beside their flat-screen rig? If one kart doesn't seem like enough to fill out the racing grid, you can always add the companion Bowser Muscle Machine to go with it. 6. LEGO Technic McLaren P1 Hypercar. Technic is all about the details, and this McLaren P1 Hypercar set certainly isn't stingy in that department. It starts with the unboxing experience, where the receiver of this amazing LEGO gift lifts the flaps of a photo of the real P1 to reveal a depiction of the Technic version underneath. There's a 40-page book that details both the car and the set, too, with a QR code to scan and listen to a podcast while assembling the vehicle.
Once it's all together, marvel at its fully functional suspension system, active aero, and a surprisingly accurate gearbox design.
7. LEGO Speed Champion's Top Fuel Dragster and 1970 Dodge Challenger TA. What's better than a LEGO set as a gift? A LEGO set that gives you 2 vehicles for the price of 1. The first duo on our list, this Dodge kit includes not just a great plum-crazy purple 1970 Dodge Challenger in TA trim, but also a companion Top Fuel Dragster. On top of that, each of these straight-line competitors features its own minifig with interchangeable hair and helmets, so no LEGO folk risk a plastic brain injury when living their lives a quarter mile at a time.
8. LEGO Technic Ducati Panigale V4S. If you're looking to please the two-wheel lover in your life, then this Ducati Panigale V4S set from Technic is a great place to start. Of course, the bike looks the part when assembled, but it also includes the mechanical dimension that Technic is known for. In this case, that means a suspension setup front and rear that matches what the bike is sitting on in real life, as well as a functional 2-speed gearbox and realistic steering. The only thing that's missing is a rider, but that's where the imagination kicks in.
Number 9. LEGO Icon's Ghostbusters ECTO-1. There are few movie cars out there with as many details as the ECTO-1 Miller Meteor conversion Cadillac hearse from Ghostbusters. That's especially true as you move through the various films in the franchise, with the car gaining modifications and gear with each installment. LEGO has made sure that this set, which takes after the vehicle most recently seen in Ghostbusters Afterlife, isn't missing a single piece of vital ghost hunting equipment. There's a gunner seat that extends from the cabin, a ghost sniffer that moves to and fro in the hunt for ectoplasm, and of course, a trap door that deploys a remote-control ghost trap. Number 10. LEGO Technic Peugeot 9X8 24H Le Mans Hybrid Hypercar. Hardcore racing fans know just how much effort goes into the prototypes in sports cars that compete at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, and they certainly won't be disappointed when they discover Technic has put nearly as much development into this very detailed depiction of the Peugeot 9X8 Hybrid Hypercar racer. More casual motorsports watchers will perhaps be more delighted by the fact that this is the only kit on our list that actually glows in the dark. It's a perfect simulation of the dramatic night lights associated with round-the-clock racing, and its glow pieces make it the rare automotive LEGO set.
11. LEGO Speed Champions Mercedes-AMG F1 W12E Performance and Project 1. The second twofer on our LEGO Cars Roundup is another pairing of street and track, though in this case, calling the AMG Project 1 a street car might be stretching the truth a little. The most hardcore production model ever built by Mercedes-Benz's in-house hot rod shop, the Project 1 is joined by the Mercedes-AMG F1 W12 car. If we were one of the helmeted minifigs that come with the set, we're not sure which one we'd arm wrestle to drive first. It seems this is one time in the world of racing where there are no losers.
12. LEGO Icon's Chevrolet Camaro Z28. If you prefer your LEGO Icon gift to hail from the golden age of the muscle car as opposed to a movie screen, look no further than this Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Smooth, low, and lethal in its blacked-out bricks, this '69 Camaro also benefits from some really great details, including a choice between white and red interiors, a closed or open convertible top, hideaway or exposed headlights, and 2 license plates. There's even a car magazine to go with it, you know, for framing and displaying in front of the vehicle at the next cruise night. And don't forget the fuzzy dice either. LEGO made sure they were in the box too. 13. LEGO Creator Expert Fiat 500. Not every classic breathes V8 fire from its exhaust pipes. This fantastic Fiat 500, finished in a muted canary yellow, is the perfect embodiment of Europe's motoring past. There are just enough pieces in this Creator Expert kit to keep hardcore LEGO fans interested, but not so many that more casual brick lovers will be put off by the task at hand. Then there are the little lifestyle touches, a painting on an easel of the car sitting in front of a very recognizable Italian setting, plus that great piece of luggage for the back rack that make this Fiat 500 set stand out. 14. LEGO DC Batman 1989 Batmobile. There's a saying that goes, always buy the LEGO that reflects who you are, unless you can buy the Batmobile. In that case, always buy the Batmobile. Here's your chance to satisfy the masked vigilante in your life with a set that stays faithful to the 1989 Tim Burton interpretation of what the cowl-wearing crime fighter drove. With its stylish wings, jet turbine propulsion, and no-nonsense styling, this version of the Batmobile has stood the test of time. As a bonus, the kit comes with a Vicky Vale and Joker minifig pairing for Batman to choose from when it's time to pick who's gonna ride shotgun in the cockpit. 15. LEGO Icons Porsche 911 2-in-1. This 2-in-1 kit is different from the others we've seen so far on our list of the best automotive LEGO gifts. Instead of delivering a pair of distinct cars that can be built side by side, this Icon set offers the opportunity to choose between the open-air Targa edition of the Porsche 911 or the potent Turbo Coupe. There's no wrong answer here, and with the parts for both sitting in the box, it also provides the chance to switch up the build every few weeks, so you never get tired of looking at the finished product.